Hey, we're No. I'm Kat. This is Jeremy, Harrison, and Ryan. This next song is called Crave, and it's off of our second EP called XO. Thank you.
Pray to be alone, but it's safer when I quit hard in a cage, throw at the bones. No need to deny it.
'Cause when it feels like our heart is on fire, and there's no stopping me then. And when I start to give in to desire, I belong to everything.
It's coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out. Coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out.
Don't you know
love can be frightening? Our love can be frightening. See you go, but this love ain't easy, and you know that, baby, I just want more. And then we'll have to fight it.
'Cause when it feels like our heart is on fire, there's no stopping us then. And when we start to give in to desire, we won't stop at anything.
It's coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out. Coming out, coming out, coming out, coming out.
Don't you know
love can be frightening?
Yeah, our
love can be frightening. Can't be frightened.
I hate to see you go.
Love can't
but it's safer when I quit caught in a cage, throwing the road.
Coming out, coming out. Our love
and this love ain't easy, and you know that, baby, I just want more. Well, our love can't be frightening. Yeah, our love can't be frightening.